Okay guys, so when it arrives, it comes in a nice box. It comes in a nice case as well. And when we open it up here, it has the scanner. It's packaged nice. And it also comes with the Bluetooth dongles and some extra wires and a charger. So it comes out like this. Fits in the hands very well. It's got grips on the side. Here's what it looks like on the back. Yes, I like it. It's very firm fitting. It's got a nice big camera right there. Here's the power button. And then here's some inputs, outputs on the side, a USB and a USB-C. Here's the Bluetooth dongle it comes with. And then I got a charger, a wall charger, if you're going to charge it and leave it on the wall. A USB-C cable to plug into the Bluetooth dongle or a computer. That's if you want to go hardwired. And then also comes with a manual and warranty paperwork and all that. Here's compared to a switch, here's about the size. Taller than a switch, but around the same screen length, but a little bigger. Here's what it looks like powered on. Menu. Now, real quick, this does ABS, check engine, SRS, all that stuff, but let's go to service functions real quick. This is kind of where this thing shines. This is all the like niche functions it can do. Seeing knock sensor reset, TPMS reset, sunroof reset. Those are the ones that really stuck out to me that I needed for what I do. But there's a ton in here. Coolant bleeding, brake reset, adaptive learning, all kinds of good stuff. So for this review, let's go ahead and try to program a key on a new car. Okay guys, so let's do a key on a 2020 Toyota 4Runner. Here's my key. These are available on Amazon, so you can pick yourself one up on Amazon. Once it comes, we're going to just go to key registration. Now this menu is what the Toyota software is. It's like identical to it, so I was kind of surprised and happy to see that. You go to key registration classic and hit OK. It's going to ask you a couple little prompts. Just hit OK. Make sure that you have both keys ready to go and all that. So you hit OK. Now, it'll say, touch the ignition switch with a registered key. Make sure the emblem touches the button. That's pretty easy. All you do is you take this and you put the little Toyota emblem to the button. You should hear it beep. And then it says take the key that you want to register and do the same thing. It should beep as well. Alright, after that, it'll say, is there any other ones you want to check in? And then you just hit OK if you're ready to register it. It'll load up for a second, and then it says registration is complete. And that's it. That's how you program a key. And let's make sure it works after you hit OK. We'll go ahead and start the car with it. Just hit the button here. Make sure you take your first key out of the car to make sure that your second key is working. Also go outside the car and push the lock and unlock button, make sure that's good. Now every car manufacturer is different, but this 2020 4Runner, I did it right out the box with the scanner.